Hi everyone, Tafata here from Le Cigarettes and welcome to another video. We are approaching festive season, December was, and this is me with another video where I am helping out my friend SJ Letlala. I've tagged his link below because he is really keen on translating English Christmas carols in Setswana, and I'm here just delivering what I promised. So if you have any comments on the lyrics or the singing, comment to SJ down below. Okay, while you're doing shopping this festive season, please don't forget to support our channel. We have 3 coloring books that are available on Amazon. They are Kituta Hokwala, I'm Learning to Write, At the Farm or Farm Adventures, and Gaitata, I Love Myself. These cater for the whole family, different stages of life, and they're all beautiful bilingual Setswana English coloring books. Please support our channel. Now let's get started. Now he wanted me, SJ, to sing the We Wish You a Merry Christmas song. So he composed it and I just have to sing. Don't forget, comments are to him down below. Now let me sing it in English. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. That song in Setswana. Natefelwa ke Keresemese, natefelwa ke Keresemese, natefelwa ke Keresemese, le ngwaga o mosha, kgantsedi monate, go wena le losika. Natefelwa ke Keresemese, le ngwaga o mosha. Okay? Natefelwa ke Keresemose, natefelwa ke Keresemose, natefelwa ke Keresemose, le ngwaga o mosha, kgantsedi monate, go wena le losika. Kgantsedi monate tsa ngwaga o mosha, kgantsedi monate, go wena le losika. Natefelwa ke Keresemose, le ngwaga o mosha. Good job, SJ. I can imagine you singing with a candle and, getting your remix on. Well, I hope you enjoy it, and if it goes viral and it ends on the Billboard charts, it's not me, it's just SJ down below. So please like and share our video so people can celebrate Christmas carols in Setswana. Till next time, bye.